Hi, this video is to show Herrick Roadmaps how to change a tab element and a toggle element. So I've already logged into the back end and I'm on the page that you wanted to change the mission and vision area, which is a tab element. So let me scroll down. And I already actually changed it, but I'm just going to show you, kind of put a test in here so you can see how to do it. You've got to make sure you're in live, edit live mode. Scroll back down. And all you have to do is hover over it till you see the pen. And it's going to say tabs. It's a tab element. So you're going to click on edit, which is the little pen. And then you'll see over here to the left popped up 3 different tabs that I have created. So all you have to do is click on the tab you want to fix. Let's just, for kicks, do core values. And you can type in here, test. And actually, if you go over here and press core values, it's probably going to show it to you better. There it is, test. And then all you have to do after that is go back out and hit save. And then you go to the front end. Sorry, didn't do it. Scroll down, hit core values, and you see it says test. Well, now we want to delete it. So we're going to do the same thing, edit live. Scroll down. Hover over it, core values, and I'm just going to highlight that, delete it, make sure you save it, and then exit to the front end. Oh, still didn't take it, sorry. Scroll down, make sure it worked, core values, and it's no longer there. So that's the tab element. It's pretty simple. So let's go to the toggles. Let's go over here. I think those were mostly on the service page. So for our planning process, you would hit edit live. Hover over, and that's actually toggle options. So let's click on that. And you've got the same kind of system as the tabs. Over here, you're going to see all the little toggles. You just click into the toggle and you make your change and then you save it. Pretty much the same thing actually as the tab element. So pretty easy. Now, the FAQ, I want to show you something here. So if you go back to the front end, these look like they're set up the same way as the FAQs, but they're actually not. This is a toggle element. This is FAQs that are set up on the back end that feed in almost by category, very similar to the blog. You categorize an FAQ. So I'm going to hit edit live here so you can see something. If I want to change the FAQs and I hover over this, see where it says FAQ options? It doesn't say toggle. It looks like a toggle, but it's not. So if you hit edit, there's nothing over here that shows you all these. These are actually on the back end, almost like a blog post. So I'm going to exit to the back end just to show you where that's housed in the system. See over here where it says FAQs? It's almost like a post. And a lot of that's for SEO too. It's helpful. So if you click on FAQs here, these are all those FAQs, and they all got the same category, travel questions. So when I went to add the FAQs to the service page, that's how I set it up. I set it up almost like a blog and picked what category I wanted to display there. Very similar to how your blogs are set up. So I can even show you. So let me say real quick, if you wanted to edit, all you have to do is like you would edit a post, you go in here and click edit, and then edit, and then you do the text. So it's very similar to a blog post. But I want to show you here on the back end, services, edit, if you scroll all the way down to FAQ right here, I've got an FAQ element stuck in there, and the categories, I left it blank so it feeds all the FAQs, where on some of your pages, I set up logs to feed certain categories like the brick category or Kohl's category or general travel category. So I've just named every FAQ the same category so it populates all of them. So that's a little different. I know it's confusing, but if you want to change an FAQ, you have to actually go to the back end of the website and do it. So I hope that helps. Let me know. Call me, text me if you have any questions. Thanks so much.